This property is at 1672 Pinon Glen Circle in Colorado Springs, 80919. It is on the west side. It was built in 1998. It is in the sub-area Pinon Glen. There is a monthly HOA in this community. Covers things like common utilities, covenants, exterior maintenance and insurance, lawn management, snow removal, and trash removal. It was built in 1998. It's 1,351 square feet, and it's a ranch with a crawl space. 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, and it's very spacious. Great condition. It's tucked away on the west side. It's main level living with low maintenance. This home has been well kept and features vaulted ceilings in a smaller space with minimal upkeep. The eat-in kitchen also features a breakfast nook with great lighting. The master bedroom is large with a walk-in closet, and the master bath has a redone shower with a flat shower door track to eliminate tripping. The shared bathroom also has a built-in electric heater for added heating in the winter. The furnace and AC were installed in 2021 last year. The Samsung washer and dryer in the laundry/mudroom stay. Radon is already installed. The backyard is small and enclosed and has a sectioned off area for gardening. There is also heat tape installed in the front porch gutter to keep the front from icing. It's close to the community clubhouse, shopping, and commercial, and close to Ute Valley Park and Mountain Shadows open space. Come check it out.